All right, well, earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Paula Peterson on how the harvest is not just a one-person operation. And now Paula's back with a recipe for us. Karen is standing by now with more.
When you think of Thanksgiving, you think about stuffing, you think about turkey and all the sides, but you got to have some desserts. You got to have some fun for the kids. I know a couple years when my kids were younger, we created just a kids' table for Thanksgiving. Yeah.
This would be great.
You could have this on the table.
And it's something kids could do, build their own really easy if you were trying to keep them, you know, try to get that green bean casserole in the oven for just a little longer.
Work with Oreos. These are turkey Oreos, everybody.
Yes, they are turkey Oreos. Yeah. We just start with, I'm using a little frosting for the eyes and the nose.
And you said double stuffed Oreos
Double
is key?
stuffed Oreos. And my mom said that I should have used chocolate frosting, not white, so you can't see it so much. But I had the white at home.
Sometimes you want to save a few bucks, right?
Yes, I'm all about it. So you can go ahead and put 2 eyes and a nose.
Okay. So you put an eye on like that, and one there. It matches the eyes, though.
Yeah.
And then the nose is with
butterscotch.
Peanut butter or butterscotch?
I use butterscotch, and you could use peanut butter if you wanted. Okay. And then you just stick your candy corns in the sides, and you just do about 4. And you could use the different colored candy corns too, I've seen. And
where'd you find this recipe?
I just looked fun turkey recipes.
Perfect, and that's how easy it really is. And you could try different kinds of Oreos if you
could try that a vanilla Oreo. Or if you get the Halloween ones with the orange stuffing or the orange filling, that would be kind of fun too.
Okay, so when you have Thanksgiving, I mean, do you usually host it at your?
We go in spurts. Okay. Sometimes my stepmom does, sometimes I do. And I have this dessert philosophy that is 1 dessert per person. So however many people I have coming to the house, I have desserts for.
Okay, are you hosting this year?
I haven't heard yet.
I haven't heard. All right, but this would be an easy dessert to take.
And it's fun. You could have things set up and keep the kids occupied before dinner, and they get to make their own dessert.
That's true. I love it. John, there it is, the recipe we had here on TV, but it's also on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page if you want to jot it down. I'll bring you an Oreo. Back to you, John.
All right, sounds good.